So I wanted to go over the two trades that I said I would take. That's GJ buys and UJ buys. And so on the daily time frame, you know what? We had support created literally yesterday, and look to the left, we had a little resistance formed here, and then the support was created. Too easy. Too easy. So the following day, I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and buy once we're in New York session and I get a signal to do so. So after this candle, I'm pretty sure that's when I entered, right? So it's this. Okay, you can go away. But what arrow am I looking for? This bitch. This one right here. This is the candle that told me, hey girl, it's time. It's time for buys. Because it was a higher low. And engulfing. 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours bullish, daily's bullish, 30 minutes bullish. Even if I were to consider this like the last area of support on the 30-minute, so I'm up in this trade right now. I've already hit my 1 to 3, and I don't want to get greedy. I just started a new challenge. I was trying to get greedy. I already hit my 1 to 3. What I should do is exit. All right, but I mean, price at the same time has not given me any signals saying it's gonna go bearish first, right? So ideally, I would want to wait for price to like create support and then break it on the smaller time frames, like on the 15 minutes, so that I know that we're gonna have a little bit of retracement that I would not want to be in. But at the same time, I don't have to push it. I could get out. Is it gonna continue going bullish? Definitely. Let's see. I was right about this too. Let me get rid of everything. You can go. I don't want a clean chart right now. And this already happened. You are irrelevant. We know we're bullish. What is this? Monthly level. What do you think our next take profit is? I don't know. Maybe the toppity top. So already past this level. The next level, that blue weekly, I'll say there. Because you have this resistance, you have some support. So I'm trying to see how far the daily could go to before turning around completely, right? So I'm thinking maybe there. Price could probably come up to here. The only thing that would take me out of my trade is, well, no, we just have to come right here. As soon as it comes past here, I'd be out. There is also an updated level of, let's see this stuff right here. Oh yeah, this is a level full of things, but moving on. GJ, same situation, currently on the daily time frame. Since here, we're bullish, right? Higher lows, right? So I'm expecting price to continue bullish after and to create a higher high. How far could it go to? We already have that. We know it's bullish. What is this? And you know what was crazy? When price was down here, I was like, which whole number is it reaching for? It was 195 flat. And I was like, more than likely after it taps 195, it's going to continue bullish. But I still didn't want to enter without any, real confirmation. Like I saw all this rejection and I saw this higher low. After that, I was like, okay, I really would like for it to retrace a little bit more so I can get in. But I still got in here. It doesn't really matter. Like all is well regardless. But I'm gonna hold this until it hits my 1 to 3. So it's not there yet. UJ hit my 1 to 3, GJ didn't. Yeah. It was a nice trade. The next one, let's see if anything else is down. See, this is why. So let's see, I said that this was bullish and that was bullish, but this was still bullish to me. This was still bullish on my original analysis for the week. So let me see something. The previous weekly candle closed bullish, creating a support. So I would still have to say, wait for a bullish candle to close on the daily before buying. I'm still on, I still believe that. All right, so this is true. Yes, the support never broke. Please get rid of the background. It's overwhelming. Just a little bit. I'm going to let's see what the weekly is doing. The lowest, I mean, not the lowest it can go, but shit. If it came here, it'd be what it is, but I don't think it's gonna go that far. See the daily. No, this will just be it. If price starts to break underneath here, then I'm like, all right, 100% we're bearish again. But it would have to like make 2 bearish candles in a row. And we haven't done that yet, so I still have a bullish bias. Anyways, GU. Oh yeah. So I think I had a bullish bias when yeah. And honestly, that still might be the case. Honestly, I just don't know. Weekly is still completely bullish. It's still bullish, bro. It is what it is. Confluence. No. Directional bias. No. Plan for the week. Okay. And this one. Let's see. Yeah, we'll say this is, well, we still got 5 hours ago, but at the same time, okay, maybe the dollar is, maybe they're playing back into their higher time frames. Or, you know what? I don't even care about all that. I'm gonna just take it day by day. That's what keeps me profitable. It does look pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna change this. Maybe I should officially change it in 5 hours because that's when the daily candle close. And then EU. Nah, you've been bearish. You've been bearish. But like, this is the only one that's really clear. All right, and UCAD. I wouldn't have taken, I mean, UCAD, yeah, it's breaking out of this trend line and everything. If it creates a fresh daily support candle, then sure, I'll buy. All right, so we got our plans for all of them. I should change this to green because we're currently in it. All right, so I'm in UJ buys, GJ buys, and there is no potential setup for tomorrow aside from, damn, not even EU. Because what I'm looking for is fresh resistances, like bullish, bearish. This is not a bullish, bearish candle. This is the one before that was bearish. So we're gonna take it. But yeah. Now, what if I was right about this, bro? 15 days until the month ends already? whatever. So let's see if there's any news for today. What kind of news do we have for tomorrow? Something that should. We had a little bit of US news today. Most of it was CAD, a little bit of GBP. Have a little bit of news 8:30 tomorrow for US. So I'm gonna say, what am I doing tomorrow at 8:30? Working, of course. No, we're gonna put. I need to do something special for news events, like. It's much better. Okay, cute, cute, cute. So now that I'm in these trades, I'm gonna go ahead and log it in my trading log notebook. It's currently a binder, but I'm working on a real prototype. Oh damn, I gotta print out some new pages. Okay. Well, let me go do that. Log my trades because that's important. Go ahead and follow me on Discord if you want to get semi-live updates of the trades that I get into. Yeah, good times. Good times.